Look here, kids! A snowman, a Santa, and a reindeer is dancing. Well, can you guess which season it is? Come on, little kids. I'm your teacher, Miss Melon, and today we are going to learn everything about our 4 seasons together. Look at this snowman! He's having so much fun in the snow. Kids, when there's snow everywhere, which season is it? It's winter season! Great job, kids! Whenever we see around us and we see snow everywhere, it means it's a winter season. Say it with me, kids. It's a winter season. And you can go outside with your friends and build a snowman in winter. And now the sun is shining high in the sky. Can you guess this season? It's summertime. Great job, little kids. Whenever you look up in the sky and see the sun shining, it means it's summer. Say it with me, kids. It's summertime. And you can go out in summer and have fun with your friends. Look at these colorful butterflies. Kids, there are a lot of flowers and butterflies. Because it's spring season. Yes, kids, in spring season there are a lot of plants, flowers, and butterflies all around us. Can you say it with me? Spring season. Kids, it's spring season. And in spring season you can actually build a garden with your grandfather. Look, kids, the leaves are falling. Can you tell me in which season the leaves fall down? The leaves fall down in autumn. Yes, kids, when the autumn season comes, the leaves turn red, brown, and orange, and they fall down. And you can actually go outside and play in those leaves together. Great job, little kids! We learned all 4 seasons together today. Now remember them all. See you next time! Hey kids! Do not forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Hey kids! I'm Miss Melon. Do you know what's the weather today? Let's find out together. Kids, look at the sun shining bright. It's a sunny weather. When the sun is shining bright in the sky, we say it's a sunny weather. And kids, in a sunny weather, you can play outside. Sunny days are perfect for fun in the sun. Look here, kids, the rain is falling from the sky. It's a rainy weather. Kids, when we see raining outside, we say it's a rainy weather. And kids, we put on our raincoat and boots and we jump in the puddle. Rainy days are fun when you splash and play. Look at this big cloud, kids. It's a cloudy weather. When we go outside and we see the sky filled with clouds, we say it's a cloudy weather. And kids, in cloudy days, we can have some indoor fun. Draw or paint inside, or maybe read a book. Look, kids, the snow is falling. It's a snowy weather. When we see the snow falling on the ground, we see it's a snowy weather. And kids, in a snowy weather, you can build a snowman, have a snowball fight, drink some coffee chocolate. Look at this tree, kids. It's blowing. It's a windy weather. The wind is blowing so fast. It's a windy weather, kids. And you know, in windy days, you can actually fly kites and listen to the leaf dancing. Windy days are full of breezy fun. Hey kids, do not forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Hello little kids, welcome back to Melon Rhymes. Today, I'm going to teach you all about the 4 seasons. Let's get it, kids! The first season is spring. In spring, flowers bloom, bees buzz, and butterflies fly. We can go outside and play in the fresh air. Can you say spring? Say it louder. Spring. Great job. Next is summer. In summer, the sun is hot and we eat ice cream. We also go swimming. Summer is really fun. Can you say summer? Say it again. Summer. Good job. Then comes autumn. In autumn, the leaves fall from the trees and they turn red, yellow, and orange. In autumn, we wear cozy clothes and sometimes go pumpkin picking. Can you say autumn? Say it louder. Autumn. And last is winter. In winter, it's really cold, so we wear warm jackets. We also drink hot chocolate and sometimes we play in the snow. Can you say winter? Say it louder. Winter. Great job! Well, kids, winter is my favorite season. Great job, little kids! We learned all about our 4 seasons. Let's say them all together. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Great job! See you next time on Melon Rhymes.